Okay, real quickly, I want to show you guys how to do the sport moon uh, photo montage. It's simply selecting ellipses. You're going to use the elliptical marquee tool, which is underneath the normal rectangular marquee tool. But there's an important trick when you're using the uh, elliptical marquee tool because it's very hard to place. You have to remember, which I often forget, that Photoshop thinks every image is a square, and it's based on that. So I'm going to go up to the ruler and drag down a guideline to line up with that edge. And then I'm going to go to the side ruler and drag a guideline to line up with this edge. Then I'm going to make sure I have my elliptical marquee tool, and then I'm going to place it at the crosshairs. And when I start dragging my circle, it looks like it's wrong until I get to the far edge. And then it's in the right spot, okay? From there, all I need to do is cut it, Command X. Ooh, that's a little creepy. The moon just disappeared. And then I move it to my other image, which I've already made my lossless editing, my safe layer behind, and it's hidden. So I can go ahead and paste it on top of this layer, and it's the wrong size. So Command T gives me free transform, and then I can resize it. As long as I don't hold shift, it'll keep it to the right size, and then I can just line it up and get it to be the right size. You want it to be about the right size so the shadow makes sense. If it's way bigger, the shadow becomes illogical, and then we're done, okay? We do it the reverse way. Again, we use our guidelines, line it up, line it up. It's snapping to guide. Oops, sorry. It's giving me a hard time on that. When that happens and you need to move a guide, you got to go back up and select the move tool. Okay, so go here, elliptical marquee, start at my crosshairs, click and drag, get this guy selected, and then we can go back and make this image look a little less apocalyptic. And put our moon back in the sky in the form of this basketball. So this is a quick little demo of just a cool thing you can do in Photoshop and get a quick result. All right.